Hi, it's Clíodhna Ní Aodáin from the Celtic Cello. I'd like to share with you the kind of things we'll be doing in the Celtic Cello course, whether you're a beginner, an intermediate player, advanced or professional. So I'm going to start with the beginner. This is a simple tune called Fáinne Geal on lay, which is the bright ring of the day. So if you're a beginner, I hope that you'd get that. An intermediate player, we might change the rhythm and add a couple of ornaments. If you're an advanced player, I'd like to explore different fingerings and bowings. And if you're a professional, you might want to do something like this. I'd love you to join me for the Celtic Cello course. Registration is only open for a couple of hours. Hope to see you there.